Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Gul. And today I'm going to share something powerful, that how to start your day with the best lines to stay motivated, focused and positive. If you want to transform your morning or your life and set the tone for an amazing day, you are in the right place. So grab your notebook. The first promise is begin with gratitude. Yes, you heard it right. L- First thing first, let's start with gratitude. As soon as you wake up, take a deep breath and say, I'm grateful for this new day and all the opportunities it brings. These simple lines really shift your mindset from stress to thankfulness. Try it now and feel the difference. The second one is promise to yourself. Yes, you hit it right. Promise to yourself, not others. Next, make a promise to yourself to stay motivated, focused, and patient in your whole life and in this day. For example, what is the benefit of promises to yourself? Actually, promises stay us committed and focused in our life. So here are some few example. Start with the promises to ourselves. Like I promise to myself to be patient and kind to myself. The second example of promises to myself is that I promise to myself to take a small step toward my goals. And the third one is I promise to learn something new today, even if it's just one word in English. The third practice to start with the best lines, to start a day with the best lines, is use positive affirmations. Yes, actually, positive affirmations are fuel for our mind, so it plays a significant role in our daily routine. Try to saying repeat these lines, that I am ready, I am confident, and I am capable of doing all the things. The second lines, that I always attract positivity and let go of negativity. Speak these lines with belief and courage and positivity. Believe me, it shifts your mindset from stress to thankfulness in second. The fourth one is visualize your day. Practice to start your day to visualize that. So let's suppose that close your eyes for a moment and visualize your day is going smoothly. Imagine yourself that you are ready for doing all the tasks and all the challenges, and in every task and every challenge and in every difficulty, your patient is always on the priority, and you will always keep your smile and staying calm. This practice, believe me, this practice helps your mind focus on solutions rather than problems. Now it's your turn. What's one promise you want to make to yourself? Comment below, I would love to hear it. And if you find these tips helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful tips to start your day right. And thanks for watching, my dear friends. And remember, every day is a new chance to become better for you. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Toodles.